Every second you're online, you're inside of an invisible system that controls everything that you see. And if you don't know how it works, you're basically flying blind in today's world. So today, I'm breaking down what an information system really is and why it secretly runs your entire life. Simply put, an information system is a combination of five things working together to turn data into something useful. Think of it like a recipe. Just when you're cooking, you need all of the ingredients in order to make the dish. An information system is the exact same thing. But let's break down the five components that make an information system and how you can start understanding how this really works. The first component of an information system is hardware. So, hardware is the physical stuff, right? Like computers, phone, servers, even smart fridges. This iPad right here is hardware. Basically, anything that you put a chip inside of is hardware. And that is the first component of an information system. But the next component is the software. So the software is what tells the hardware what to do. Things like apps or operating systems and programs like Windows or Excel or even the camera app on your phone. It's something that tells the hardware what to do, whether it's playing a game, taking a picture, analyzing data. The software controls the hardware. But then you get into component number three. Component number three is data. And data in the simplest form is the raw information that's stored or processed. Things like your name, your playlist, and your shopping cart. In today's day and age, data runs the world. Data is the things that can be stored about an individual to learn more information. And we all have a basic understanding of what data is, but I think most people underestimate the power of having good data. Companies like Tesla, yes, they sell cars, but in reality, they're a data center. They store massive amounts of data about driving patterns, who purchases cars, how they operate when they're inside the vehicle. So data is one of the number one things that can help build an information system, and why in today's world, it's secretly running your life. But then it ties into the next component, which the next component most people overlook, but the next component is actually people. It's not just a machine. People are a part of the system as well. Users of the app or the platform or the phone. IT, developers, people that create or build the software, the hardware, or people that even analyze the data. You have to have a human interaction inside of these information systems in order to have it operate functionally. And finally, the last component of an information system is the processes. The processes are the step by step rules of how everything works, like how an online store automatically confirms your order, or how when you leave the website and come back, you still have all your carts filled with your products. In the world of e commerce, processes are used for everything, and it all comes together in these information systems to make it easier to purchase something, easier to understand a process, but also more efficiently storing everyone's data. So information systems run the world, literally. From hospitals to banks to schools, nothing works without them. And if you understand these five basic components of what makes an information system, you're already ahead of everyone. So let's take this into a real life example. Imagine ordering a pizza. We've all ordered a pizza before, right? And when you order a pizza, the first thing that you do is call someone. So you use the hardware, which is your phone, to make the call. The software could be the pizza app, right? Maybe you go into the hardware of your phone and you log into the pizza app for pizza like Domino's, and you can go and place the order. The pizza app is the software. The hardware is the phone. And the data is the address you put in for your order. So what's being stored about you and even your pizza order or your name or your information, your email, your phone number, the data that's being stored. And the people that are involved is one, you for placing the order, and the employees that are making the pizza. And the processes is what happens from when you place the order to sending it to the kitchen to creating your pizza and ultimately having it delivered. So in a summary, you use your phone or your hardware to place an order using software, which would be the app, which stores your data and information to make the delivery, which is delivered by human beings and people through a process that's already predetermined. So now I hope it's starting to click, and for you to understand these information systems is very important in today's world. So now you can explain what an information system is to anyone. Take the same example that I used with ordering a pizza. It's the most relatable. Everyone's done it, but now you understand the entire system that is happening just to place a pizza order. And then you can start thinking bigger and understand how these massive companies can utilize these information systems to basically run the world. So if this helped, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone who also needs to know what an information system is and how it secretly controls the world. This channel is filled with actionable insights of what you can do to start getting ahead of most entrepreneurs. We're not here to sell you a course or some $25,000 mastermind. All we ask is that you hit the subscribe button and share this with someone who also needs to know this information. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.